look at formatting numbers as percentages. So I'm going to go to my folder again. So what I want to do here is look for percentage formatting. There we are, and open it. And what I'm going to do is now enter some information in. So in D5, I'm going to enter 67%, and you'll have to use the Shift key to get the percentage sign. I'm going to go to the next one and enter 47%, and the next one 59%, and the last one, which is D8, 61%. Right, and press enter. You'll notice that the actual answers aren't as expected. Now, what we're going to have to do is actually format this range here so that it actually shows as percentage. To do that, we need to click on the home button and we go to our number area here. First of all, we need to actually select the range. So I'm going to click on D5, hold my Shift key down and click on D8, and then I'm going to click the percentage button here, and you will now see that we've actually got the percentage values that we've actually typed into the document. And we're going to save this document and click Ctrl F4 to close. We're now going to format some cells displaying a fixed number of decimal places. So I go to my Office button, open, and I'm looking for decimal place formatting. And click on that and open. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to click on B1, sorry, cell B2, and it has the number 1 in it. And we're going to use this button here. Now these two buttons here increase the decimal place or decrease it, and we're going to increase the decimal place on this particular instance, and we're going to click once. And you should now see that our number has changed from just a single numeral to 1.0. I can carry on clicking this to increase the number of zeros after the number 1, or I can decrease it. Right, we're now going to click on H2. And what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to decrease the number of decimal places. So I'll just decrease that, and we've now got 2 decimal places. And if I click again, I've now decreased to just 1, and you'll notice that the actual number is rounded up. I'll just go back and just undo that just to show you what's happened. We just redo that, so we're decreasing the decimal, and as we go down you'll notice that it rounds up. And now we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to save this and close using Ctrl F4. We're now going to look at applying and removing comma separating formatting, and we need to open a new workbook called comma separator formatting. So we go to open and we look through our list, and there's comma separator formatting, and we click open on it. We're now going to select the range that we're going to be working on, and we're going to click on range number J8 through to J11. So we hold the Shift key down and click on that, and you'll notice that this range has already been formatted with a comma, and you'll notice that within the numbers. If we look at the other one on the right hand side, and we now highlight this particular area. I'm going to actually select the range D8 through to D11. I'm going to add in a comma separator. Now I need to go up to my number tabs within the home button and I click on comma style. And you'll notice now that I've actually got the commas inserted into the actual list of numbers. Click out of that. I'm now going to select the range J8 through to J11 using my Shift key, and I'm going to click on the Format button here, which is under the Cells tab on the home part of the ribbon. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going down to Format Cells, and in here I'm going to choose Number, and from the list I'm actually going to make sure that Use 1000 Separator is activated. Now within that I'm going to remove this tick. So if I actually untick that, you'll notice that the numbers actually change. And if I now click OK, you'll notice that my numbers now do not have the comma separator on them. Once I've done that, I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to close down the work page with Control and F4.